What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates, where you can find a bunch of roller skating tutorials, reviews, and general roller skating lifestyle content. My name is Rebel, and if you like roller skating or you're trying to learn how to roller skate, I suggest that you subscribe to the channel. Today, we are doing a July roller skating ramp progress update. So enjoy this reel of the things I learned in July. Woo!
Told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So caught up in getting my paycheck, I can't even focus. How do we talk when there's nothing that makes sense? I don't even know. So baby, if you're walking out the door, I'll be wasted. I'll be getting drunk like
you know how to do? Oh yeah, hard
until I can't face it.
Thanks for watching this this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. I hope you enjoyed my rant progress. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every Tuesday. I go live every Sunday in the afternoon. If you want to support me, you can support me on my Patreon. The link is in the description below. Or you can buy some cool stickers on my Etsy. There's one of Bowie. Yeah! And most importantly, can you say it with me? Cheers to the queers!